Hello everyone. Good morning all. I hope all are doing well. This morning is peaceful, memorable morning for all of you. Welcome back to my channel, My English Journey. In today, I will teach you how to introduce yourself uh, self in a simple English and confident way. Many people feel shy, underconfident, nervous while speaking English. But don't worry, after watching this video, you will able to intro, uh, intro yourself confidently. So let's start. Basic information, basic introduce example. Hello everyone, my name is Ishu. I'm from India. I'm a student and I'm learning English to improve my communication skills. My hobbies are reading, watching movies, and making videos. Thank you. Self introduction for interview. I am glad to introduce myself. Good morning, sir, ma'am. My name is Ishu. I am from India. I have completed my graduation. I am hardworking and positive person. I always try to learn new things and improve yourself. That's all from my side. Thank you. If you like this video, please support me and like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.